Hi, sir.
Hello.
This is Shreya, and I'm from Team Drone Expo, and I'm here to ask you a few questions about you and your company.
Definitely.
So, give me a brief about yourself and your company.
Well, my name is Krishna Mohan, and I'm a marketing professional working for Aerolyt. It's been 2 years of all our hard work. We started as a initial startup with creating a drone. Our CEO's name is Mr. Ramesh. He focus on nano drones. He's very passionate about drone creations and wanted to provide solutions through drone. So he initiated to have create a drone which is lesser than 250 grams, and we have different verticals here. First, we are focusing on drone light shows, which we have come up with a drone light show which has exclusive LED lights right below, and it can make millions of colors. And we are capable of doing more than 300 drones right now. And followed by, as I said, these are all being manufactured by us in-house. We are located in Chennai. We have our R&D team working on different verticals. As I said earlier, the one other work vertical would be follow me back drone, and other drones are for surveillance as well. So we're also keen to explore as much possibility in nano drones.
So, that's great to hear, sir. So, coming on to the exhibition, did you find right visitors for your business?
Oh yes, we haven't had enough time till now. We have been floored up with many people asking how this multiple drones can collaborate and integrate to do this drone show. So it was a great time to be here. Definitely, we find the right people who are interested in drones and drone light shows. So it's a good move for us to join drone light show exhibition here on this day.
Good, sir.
Thank you.
Are you looking to participate in the next edition of Drone Expo?
Oh, definitely, yes. As we loved the assistance and service provided by the management and the organizing team. And earlier to that, as we are from Chennai, it's far away for us to travel here, but people here has very friendly assisted us to get our right accommodation and to find the right vendor to create all the requirements kept ready here. So we are willingly wanted to join again, and we look forward for the next year, 2025. I guess it's happening in Hyderabad, so we are eagerly looking forward to join there.
So, we would surely love to see you again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your valuable time.
Thank you so much.
Wish you a very best.
Thank you.